In this video, we're going to go over how you can set up Flynt. So on the left-hand side, make sure you click settings. Once you do that, make sure if you want to get lead generations notifications sent to you via email, please make sure you toggle that on. In terms of personalization, you can toggle that on as well. You can also select how many messages per lead to generate. You can select 1 through 8. 4 is a default. You can also default deal value as well. So if this makes sense, just leave it at that. Lastly, before we close out this video, you want to make sure that you add any blacklisted companies here. So these can be current clients, your own domain. So Flynt doesn't find leads, obviously, from the list of this specific specified clients and lists. You can also ban industries. So by default, staffing, talent, HR, recruiting, recruitment will be banned. So Flynt doesn't find job postings from other staffing recruitment agencies. You can also change the criteria of lead matching preferences. So depending on the order and how you want to order things, that's going to basically dictate the match fit score when you get your leads. So you can always move things around. You can skip it or save for now. And then you can also make sure that there's a contact exclusion period so you don't reach out to companies too often. You want to make sure that enough time goes by. Lastly, for support, you can also click bottom right. There is an AI chatbot here. You can also go to the left, click help. You can ask AI chatbot more questions here. You can also email us at this email address. And for full knowledge-based documentation, you can click on this view docs here. It'll take you to the overview, getting started, FAQs, and you can just read that to use Flynt accordingly.